If you're like me, you spend a lot of time each day making quality coffee at your house. You've got your grinder, your Chemex, your scale, your V60, your filters, the whole thing. Now that can be a lot to travel with. So what I've done in recent years is I've turned to the AeroPress by Aerobie. The AeroPress is a great device that you can take great coffee and espresso on the go. It's lightweight and it's easy to use. But Aerobie recently has come out with a new version of the AeroPress Go. And today, we're going to have a look at it. So first, it comes in a really cool box. It looks like a hexagon shape, and it looks very compact already. So we're going to go ahead and open it up. It's got these little tabs that go back. And here is the AeroPress Go in its entirety. If you can see, it might be a little bit bigger than you've seen in the pictures, but it's still very, very compact, which is its most attractive thing in my opinion, and why I got this one to replace my other one. So you look right there. We've also got some filters and an instruction manual that comes with the box. We're going to put that back in here for now. So now let's open this up. So this is a silicone feeling lid, and you can see it has 3 pieces right here off the top. So first, let's look at this. Very squishy. It's not a hard plastic. It feels like a silicone kind of rubbery texture. And then we have the case for the filters. We have the actual where you press the coffee through. And this one looks a little bit thicker than I don't know if you can see that, but it's a little bit thicker than the other one I have with the original AeroPress. And finally, we've got our AeroPress with a coffee scoop and a stirrer inside that opens up like that. So the way Aerobie has designed this is that you can use all of this and actually squeeze it into this cup on the go. So it even comes with a cup. Right here we've got the filters that open up. That's a really easy way to carry around at least probably a dozen or so filters in here. I've crammed a good bit of them in there. They're quite thin filters. And the whole canister. Now the canister does look a little bit wider, but I'm looking at it now, maybe not. That was my first impression, was a little bit wider, but maybe it's not as wide as I think it is. I want to do a quick comparison between the 2 canister sizes of the old AeroPress and the new AeroPress. So if you look here, we've got the old one. Mine is a bit hard to pull out nowadays. I've been using it too long. You can see right here, that's how it stacks up. It's a bit taller. And the AeroPress Go, it's a bit shorter right here. And the canister does look a little bit smaller. If you can see there. Still got the numbers in the AeroPress. So that's the size comparison we've got. And the same thing with the actual plunger. So I don't know for sure, but it's looking like this will hold a little bit less coffee than this would. So whereas this maxed out at maybe 250 milliliters of coffee, this will probably hit 210, 220. I'm sure Aerobie has it online, but from what I might first guess, it looks like that. And then when you want to pack it up, you just take it, put this in here, put that right there. Fold that on, make sure it's completely squeezed down. The silicone lid goes back on it. And there you have it, your AeroPress Go, ready to go, to travel with, to pack up. Very easy, hold it in one hand. Really a big improvement from all of the stuff you have in this bag with the other AeroPress. All right, now that we've had a first look, let's go ahead and make a cup. You've got a fresh cup of AeroPress espresso. One last thing I wanted to mention is if you notice how the cup has the edges right here, it's raised edges, it makes it extremely easy to pour into a different canister. So even though this might lose temperature pretty quickly, you can pour this into something else, like another mug or maybe a portable travel canister, in a very easy way if you look right here. So you see the ridges make it so there's no spill at all, and it's easy to enjoy a cup in a different way. The AeroPress Go from Aerobie is an amazing second iteration to the AeroPress series. The more compact design, the fact that it comes with a cup and it all stays in one place, makes it the preferred option if you're in the market for a portable coffee maker. Now, if you already have an AeroPress, you might not want to upgrade because they're not terribly different, but in my opinion, it was worth it because I wanted the new design, I wanted that new compact feel, and I appreciate Aerobie's products. So if you're on the fence about upgrading, maybe stick to the AeroPress for now. But when you're in the market for a portable travel coffee maker again, definitely go with the AeroPress Go. Thanks for watching my first look and impressions of the AeroPress Go. Are you guys going to pick this one up, or do you think you'll stick to the old AeroPress? Let me know what you think in the comments. Deuces.